Need rock-solid support that fits in your pocket? In 2025, mini tripods have come a long way. They're more compact, more capable, and more flexible than ever. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, filming on the go, or setting up a low-angle landscape shot, the right tabletop tripod can make your life so much easier. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Manfrotto PIXI. Best all around. Let's kick things off with a true classic, the Manfrotto PIXI. This compact, no-nonsense tripod has earned its reputation in nearly every camera bag for a reason. It's absolutely pocketable, measuring just under 8 inches folded. But it can support up to 1 kilogram, making it perfect for compact cameras, phones, or mirrorless kits with short lenses. The built-in ball head allows for smooth rotation and some tilt, controlled by Manfrotto's signature push-button locking system. It's quick, intuitive, and remarkably secure once locked in. The tilt range maxes out at about 35 degrees, so while it won't aim straight up, it's more than enough for vlogs, time-lapses, or desktop content. And here's a bonus. When folded, the legs become a great handheld grip. So whether you're filming a walk and talk or setting up for a tabletop video, the PIXI is incredibly versatile, sturdy, and simple to use. Number 2. Platypod Delta. Best flat pack tripod. Next up, the Platypod Delta. This one goes in a completely different direction, literally by lying flat. It's not a tripod in the traditional sense. Think of it as a low-profile camera base made for awkward angles, tight spots, and situations where you'd never be able to set up traditional tripod legs. The Delta is built from solid aluminum alloy, just 6 millimeters thin, and light enough to go unnoticed in any backpack or pocket. It comes with 4 adjustable rubber-tipped legs, a multi-purpose strap for mounting it to trees or poles, and yeah, even a built-in bottle opener. Seriously. Despite its slim size, it supports up to 10 kilograms, meaning it can hold a DSLR and lens combo with 0 flex. Perfect for macro setups, time-lapses, ground-level landscapes, or stealthy urban shots. Number 3. Benro TablePod Flex. Most versatile mini tripod. Coming in third, the Benro TablePod Flex Kit is the most adaptable tripod on this list. Designed for tabletop and field use with tons of flexibility built in. Literally. You get not only solid tripod legs, but also internal flex arms that can be wrapped around railings, benches, or even a street sign. It's one of the few tripod systems that lets you transition from a flat base to a rail-mounted rig without bringing an extra tool or group of clamps. What's more, it comes bundled with useful adapters for phones, compact cams, mics, and lights, making it ideal for content creators who work with multiple devices. Add 2 accessory arms and you can mount a light and mic on either side while the camera rolls in the middle. Need a selfie stick or compact monopod? Just reconfigure the leg assembly and you've got one built right in. The entire setup is well built, lightweight, and travel-friendly. Yes, it's a bit more expensive than traditional tabletop tripods, but you're paying for all-in-one flexibility that few mini tripods can match. Number 4. Leofoto LS-223C. Best for serious camera rigs. Now, if you need rigid support and max stability, the Leofoto LS-223C is hands down the strongest mini tripod on this list. Made entirely from carbon fiber, this tripod is built for heavy-duty setups, supporting up to a huge 10 kilograms, yet folding down to just 8 inches long. The design is pure precision. 3 twist-lock leg sections allow for quick adjustments and let you achieve a max height of about 30 centimeters, or 12 inches. Add a ball head, and you've got near full-size tripod control from the ground up. In real-world use, the LS-223C shines for low-angled landscapes, macro photography, or high-end mirrorless and video rigs where every ounce of steadiness counts. The only drawback? Weight. It's heavier than your typical pocket tripod and overkill if you're just using it for your phone. But for serious creators who care about build quality and support, the LS-223C is a compact beast. Number 5. Neewer TP38. Best hybrid for phone and camera. Finally, let's talk about hybrid convenience with the Neewer TP38. A smart 2-in-1 tripod that blends selfie stick, phone holder, and camera mount all into one sleek unit that's great for content on the go. At under 10 inches folded, it slides into a backpack or shoulder pouch and sets up fast thanks to a combined telescoping center column alongside a built-in smartphone cradle stored in the camera plate. No separate adapter? No problem. Use the included ball head to tilt and pan, and you've got a balanced, steady platform for portable shoots, product videos, or casual live streams. It's compact, aluminum-made, and holds up surprisingly well under mid-weight mirrorless builds. So, which one is the best mini tripod in 2025? For most creators, the Manfrotto PIXI still takes the win. It's reliable, affordable, and incredibly easy to use. No gimmicks, no fuss. Just rock-solid support whether you're filming a daily vlog, a food shot, or a vertical video. But if you need flexibility, go Benro TablePod Flex. If you shoot low angle or need stealth. Platypod Delta. Building a camera rig for serious content creation? Leofoto LS-223C. Want a quick switch between phone and camera? Neewer TP38 has you covered. Which one are you picking up? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more creator gear guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy shooting!